Exercise number 22, second half. Start. The Rate Control Appellate Authority, by its judgment, reversed the judgment of the trial court it held according to the appellant. If at all the respondent needs any rooms for the purpose of expanding his office, suitable rooms are available in his possession. Stop. It has come in evidence that in the building in which the petition schedule rooms are situated, there are as many as 36 rooms. Stop. According to the appellant, the same rooms are lying vacant in this building. Stop. The respondent would deny the contention. Stop. But in Exhibit C1 report, the commissioner only would say that majority of the rooms in the building are leased out. Stop. This shows that some of the rooms in the occupation of the petitioner are lying vacant. Stop. It is true that the commissioner has not specified the number of rooms lying vacant. Stop. The appellant also could not point out the number of the rooms lying vacant in the possession of the petitioner. Stop. Apart from this, it also relied upon several vacant rooms being available in several other buildings owned by the landlord. Stop. So far as Exhibit B3 is concerned, the trial court's finding was reversed, stating the lower court has blamed the appellant for not producing any documents to show that vacant rooms are available in the possession of the respondent. Stop. I cannot agree with the observation made by the lower court. Stop. When there is an admission by PW1 that there are vacant rooms, there is no need to produce any document. Stop. It can also be seen that the appellant has produced Exhibit B3 series document building tax assessment register. Stop. It would show that some of the rooms belonging to the respondent are lying vacant. Stop. The lower court refused to rely upon Exhibit B3 series, observing that though the petition schedule shop rooms are admittedly in the possession of the appellant, one of the rooms is shown as lying vacant. Stop. It is for the landlord to report about the occupation of the rooms in the panchayat. Stop. Without doing that, he cannot blame the respondent or take advantage of the absence of entry regarding the occupation of the building in the building tax assessment register. Stop. On these grounds, therefore, the bona fide requirement of the landlord for additional accommodation was turned down by the appellate authority. Stop. So far as the room leased by the mother-in-law of the tenant is concerned, and on comparative hardship, the appellate authority found, even if it is conceded for a moment that the need of the respondent is bona fide, that the hardship which would be caused to the tenant would outweigh the advantage to the landlord in case of eviction of the petition. Stop.